Hey, what's going on, all of you wonderfully amazing people? Today is January the 14th, 2021. And today, you guys, I have some amazing work at home opportunities to share with you guys. For those of you that don't know, I am the work at home job queen. Make sure you come over and sign up to the email newsletter over here on the blog. The link is always in the description box down below. All you're going to be doing is go over and where you see get new work at home leads sent directly to your email, you're going to put your email and click send me new leads. Okay. I do not spam your email. The only thing that I send you are new work at home job opportunities. Okay. Also, make sure you come over and join the Work at Home Lounge on Facebook. Y'all, I am so in love with this group. I spend more time in this group than I spend on my regular Facebook page. Okay. I think I pretty much neglected my regular Facebook page and don't update it as often. I am very, very active in this group as well as all of the other people that are members of this group. So definitely come over and join the group if you are interested. Just make sure when you request, okay, you answer the 3 questions when prompted. Make sure you have a photo and make sure that your account is not new. The requests are automatically denied if you do not answer all 3 questions. Okay. Now let's go ahead and get into these opportunities, you guys. There are some great ones today. So Pepsi is once again looking for contact tracing representatives to work from home. Okay. Y'all, this position is $24 per hour. Okay. It is estimated to be a 6-month contract. Of course, it is seasonal because it is contact tracing. 45 plus hours per week with the opportunity for overtime. So this is definitely an opportunity for you to really stack some money, okay, with this opportunity. $24 per hour, 45 plus hours per week with the opportunity for overtime. Definitely apply to this position, okay? Now, you will be required to work on some weekends, all right? But for those of you that don't know what contact tracing is, basically you're going to be contacting people who were interacting with recently diagnosed COVID-19 patients. So for this one in particular, it's going to be for Pepsi's employees. Okay, so people who work for Pepsi who are recently diagnosed with COVID, you'll basically be interacting with other employees and in relation to leaves of absence. Okay, so definitely run, do not walk, and apply to this one right here. Also, Comcast is once again hiring again. I shared an opportunity a few days ago for Comcast for a customer service rep, but this one is for inbound sales. So what you'll be doing is you'll be interacting with customers via telephone, email, and you'll be responsible for promoting and selling Comcast products. Now, they do provide you with all equipment for this position. It is full time and they pay $14 per hour. All right. So this is another one that you guys should definitely run and check out. Great company as far as if you want to have a career. So definitely check out Comcast. All right. All of these links are on the blog. So go and click the link in the description box down below, you guys. Next up is going to be Maximus. Now, this is kind of sort of the position, one of the jobs that I currently do. I have several jobs, you guys. I always tell people never just put all your eggs in one basket, okay? Always have multiple eggs, okay? What this position entails is you'll basically be doing quality assurance. And for those of you that don't know what quality assurance is, you'll be monitoring phone calls. Okay. So that's kind of what I do for one of my jobs all day. I basically listen to pre-recorded phone calls. Now, for this position, I'm not sure if they're going to be live phone calls or if they're going to be pre-recorded. I'm not sure, but you'll be monitoring and evaluating these calls for quality assurance to make sure they're following all the procedures and protocols that are set in place by this company. Okay, all you need to have is a high school diploma. Now, this company right here, they're actually hiring really fast. Okay, I've shared 3 positions with them, and I know there are tons of people who have gotten on with this particular company. So definitely run and do not walk and apply for this one right here. Okay. Now you will need to have your own computer. You'll need to have access to hardwired internet via an Ethernet cord. You guys can go and purchase one of those from Walmart for $7, $8. Okay. No more than $10. All right. And of course, you need to have an internet provider that offers enough speed, okay, so that you don't have a lag when you're working. Okay. So that is maximum for limited service quality assurance analysts. All right. And next up, you have Paycor. They're looking for shared services support specialists to work from home. Okay. And I think for this position, all you need is a high school diploma. That's really all that you need. These positions, you guys, let me tell you something about working from home. A lot of times I have people who tell me, well, I don't have much experience, which I understand. However, I'm going to say 85% of the time they offer training. Yes, they might prefer you to have some experience. They might prefer you to have an associate's degree or a bachelor's, but more oftentimes than not, it's not required. So never sell yourself short that you feel like you don't have experience. I always nail it into the ground. I don't care if you worked at McDonald's, Walmart, Pizza Hut, it doesn't matter. If you were interacting with customers, you have customer service experience, okay? Always, always, always sell yourself, okay? Fix up your resume, make it look a little bit more neater. If you have 1,000 jobs listed on there, you need to remove some of those and list jobs within the last 2-3 years. Okay. Don't go putting jobs that you had when you were in high school 20 years ago. Okay. It's not necessary. So sell yourself, you guys. It does not matter that you do not have a ton of experience. All right. So that is for Paycor. So I've told you guys about Pepsi, told you about Comcast, Maximus, Paycor, and now we're going to talk about MedData. MedData is looking for workers' compensation claims representatives, okay? You'll be assisting hospitals and providers in resolving accounts that are a result of work-related injuries, all right? Now, with this one, again, you only need to have a high school diploma or a GED, okay? Now, they do offer medical, dental, vision, HSA, FSA, 401k, and paid time off. Okay. Again, these people do train you. This schedule is Monday through Friday from 8 to 4:30. Who doesn't want a job that they can work Monday through Friday, no weekends? Okay. That is for MedData. And that link is also in the description box down below on the blog. Okay, you guys, I'm not going to hold you long because I know you want to run and apply to these positions. Okay, remember, sign up to the email newsletter on the blog and make sure you come over and join this work at home lounge, because you guys, you want to interact with people who are like-minded. You want to gain connections and possibly, my thing, that's how I landed a lot of my work at home jobs, is I connected with other people who are in the work at home world. So definitely come over and join this group, you guys. Just make sure that you, again, answer the 3 questions when prompted, or your request will automatically be denied. Have a photo, and also make sure that your account is not new. Okay. I love you guys, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.